that's being put into a machine, into one of these vehicles, and it's none of my fucking business, you say something to them.
Well, they can't disclose information.
You tell. Cocoa Beach has gone fucking mad and nasty.
They don't work for us. That's Brevard County Fire Rescue.
Well, you know, I'm a teacher. Who the fuck did you put? Who got put in that car?
Well, it's a kid, but they can't disclose.
No, I was here hanging out at this party. I mean, what the fuck? What's wrong with them?
Okay.
You guys gotta act better.
Do you want the truth? There was like 200 kids here drinking.
I've already known.
Drinking, okay? And you're drunk as well.
I'm not drunk.
Yes, you are. I smell it.
Oh, you smell it.
Yes.
All right, let's do it.
No,
do
we're
a
not
test.
getting through that, but
I mean, do a test.
The purpose.
But I'm saying, I'm concerned.
And you're intoxicated too.
Oh, who cares? So I could get in your car and ride with you or call my
Because he's 17 and he was here drinking at a party.
Why are you yelling at me?
Because you're yelling. You're here with your boss having a party with 200 kids who are drinking. Get out of my face. Now.
That's on your camera.
It is.
Wow.
36 Courage.
36.
Can you put me on a call for a well-being check at 44 Country Club?
26.
And then I'm going to have a juvenile male 10-12-51 to the PD. I'll give you starting mileage when you're ready.
Go ahead.
61587.
61587.
And assign me a Sierra, please.
Alright, so we have 1 yellow necklace, 4 yellow earrings, and 6 gray rings, okay? And I'm just going to search your jacket, and if you're taking it, if you're good, I'll give it back to its control.
Okay, yeah, I'm fine with that. Alright, Miss Anderson, so we are here now. This is the last opportunity you're going to have to speak with me. Would you like to speak with me?
I mean, you didn't arrest me, you just put me in handcuffs.
You were under arrest.
I am under arrest.
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't bring me my rights, and you didn't tell me what I was arrested for.
That's what I want to talk to you about.
Okay.
I only have to read you your rights if I'm going to question you.
Okay.
That's why I want to have a sit-down conversation.
If
Okay.
you decide to see them, I'm going to ask for an adjournment.
Okay. Yeah, that's absolutely your right.
Okay.
So if that's the case, Corporal Ortiz, do you want to help? Actually, we'll just go right around the corner if you want to sit here with me.
You want a water bottle?
I'm sorry?
Water?
Please, I love that. Thank you.
You got your Miranda card on you? If not, I got it in my wallet. I have it in my phone. I got it in my wallet.
Can you do me a favor before you do anything? Can you get a bag just for all that, please?
I don't have one in my car.
No?
I'd have to go upstairs.
Yeah, we'll just leave it there for now. This is our property. Alright, we're going to the room over there.
Yeah, we'll just take her to the...
Alright, Miss Anderson, you can follow me.
Go ahead.
Someone's on the first floor waiting for you.
Hey, can you stay with her for a second, Ortiz?
Yeah, if you don't mind, getting the bag.
I'm going to be meeting with the other person.
Oh,
Here's Washington.
26, I'm coming that way now. I'm downstairs about to walk into the lobby in the back lot.
I'll be coming down the backstairs. Correction, I'll be coming out the way in the front. Second floor.
10-4, I'm going to make contact with her. Hello, Miss Brodigan?
Yes. Are you Detective Rosa?
Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
All right. Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
Go ahead.
Hang on 1 second. We'll grab your purse real quick.
Hey.
It's okay. Not too tight, right?
No.
Okay.
All right, well, you're all good. Just kind of attention to the
All right.
All right, yep. Come on back.
Olson, do you want to bring her upstairs to the interview room while I talk to the other one?
Which interview room are you on?
Upstairs, CID, whichever one.
Yep.
All right, ma'am, you're going to go with this detective, okay? Separate. Yep, she's going upstairs to the interview room. I'm going to interview the other one in this one. All right. 42 Cook Beach. The female in the lobby will be 10:15 as well.
Channel reach. 1090 Home Country Club, Kansas City.
All right, the other one's being brought up to the CID interview room. So before we get started, go ahead.
Was that the second individual who came up there?
10-4, both are in custody.
10-4, thank you.
All right. So before we get started, I am going to read you your Miranda rights, okay?
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to make any statements or answer any questions. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to the lawyer now and at any time during this interview. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed for you without cost to you. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
I do.
With these rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me now?
I mean, what is my benefit of talking to you? Are you going to take me to
I want to talk to you.
Are you going to take me to jail anyway?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, then I probably just need to get an attorney.
Okay. You absolutely have that right.
Thank you.
All right. So you, just to be clear, you don't want to talk to me?
Well, if I'm not, like, you're not offering me anything to speak to you.
No, ma'am. I'm not here to make any deals. I'm just here to get your side of the story.
Okay, well, I just might as well get an attorney.
Okay. All right. Well, then we're going to go ahead and sit back in that other room, okay? All right, I'm going to go upstairs and interview the other one.
You don't need that there.
No.
I'm just gonna package all this.
Okay. Thank you.